Energy-saving tips for the winter. We all want to keep our energy bills as low as possible. Just making a few simple tweaks to your everyday routine could help cut down your energy use and your bills this winter. Every little helps. Turn your thermostat down slightly. One of the simplest ways to save energy is by turning your heating down by a single degree. You might not think such a small amount would make much difference, but according to the Energy Saving Trust, lowering your thermostat from 20 degrees to 19 degrees, for example, can save 10% on your heating bill. Unplug your devices. Your phone, tablet, or TV still use energy on standby. You can save around £55 a year just by remembering to turn off your devices and appliances when you're not using them. Move your sofa. Big furniture close to your radiator can stop heat reaching the room. Move them an inch or two away for better air circulation, and your rooms will be warm and cozy much faster. Close the curtains. Heat starts to escape when the sun goes down. Draw your curtains or close the blinds to keep the warmth in. Switch off the lights. Getting everyone in your home to only light rooms that are being used can help you save around £20 on your annual energy bill.